An integration between SchoolCity and Canvas is available, which allows teachers the ability to embed a SchoolCity assessment within their Canvas course. To do this, teachers will log into SchoolCity, click on Assessments, and find the assessment they wish to embed in Canvas. Click on the drop-down menu arrow at the far right in the Functions area and select Advanced Settings. Click on the Online Settings tab. Find the LTI URL and click on the blue Copy URL button. Next, open up Canvas and the Canvas course you want to embed the SchoolCity assessment within. To add a new item, click on the plus sign next to the module you want to place the SchoolCity assessment within. Select Assignment from the drop-down menu next to the Add box. Click on New Assignment in the box below. Enter a title or a name of an assessment and click Add Item. Publish the assessment either now or later. Click on the assignment or assessment and open it, and then select Edit. Scroll down to Submission Type and select External Tool from the drop-down choices. Paste the LTI URL that you copied from SchoolCity into the box. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. When you are ready for the student to access the assessment, activate the assessment in SchoolCity as you normally would do. Students will now be able to access the assessment from either SchoolCity or Canvas.